We're gonna make a strawberry cream cheese fruit dip. In the mixing bowl here, we're gonna add in 8 ounces of strawberry cream cheese spread. Get that all added in. Then we're gonna take the hand mixer and we're just gonna mix this up just a little bit, just to get it a little bit more whipped. Next, we're gonna add in 7 ounces of marshmallow fluff. We're just gonna fold this in with a rubber spatula. Now that the cream cheese and marshmallow fluff are mixed in, we're gonna add in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. I have some extra creamy Cool Whip. You can use whatever you want. It doesn't have to be the extra creamy. It can be regular. It can be reduced fat as well. We're going to take a rubber spatula and just fold that in. All right, that is all mixed in together. I want to add it into a little smaller bowl. Now, we can use that for fruit, obviously, because it's a fruit spread, or we can use it with graham crackers. So I'm gonna try some with graham crackers.